guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sisi for CCTV Food. CCTV Food. You know what it is, it's a Ramadan diary, so I'm going to be giving you my quick and easy dishes. Again, I am rushing because I am on a race against the clock. It's a Ramadan diary 101, it's a Ramadan diary 101. Ramadan diary, it's a Ramadan diary. Basically, I'm going to be showing you today how to make my favourite chicken pastella. It's really quick. They're mini parcels. Freeze them, take them out as and when you need them. My onions, grated. I got an onion and a half grated, some coriander. This is a Moroccan spice called ras al hanout. You can just use garam masala. A teaspoon of ras al hanout, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, and I did half a teaspoon of garam masala as well. Chicken breast, diced, 2 eggs, which you're going to pop in there later. So again, I've got my phyllo pastry, almonds. So you're going to need those later as well. Come and see the process. First and foremost, I'm going to add some olive oil to this pan. I'm going to pop all of these ingredients in the pan. We're going to brown off those onions and all of those spices. What happens is it releases all the flavours. Then we're going to add the chicken. Boil your kettle now and cook it down for about an hour. Once the chicken is browned off like that, you want to add the water, just a little bit. Just a little bit like that. And let that simmer down and let that cook. Keep adding water as and when you go along. Boiled some almonds so I can take off the skin. You only need to give them about 5 minutes. I'll let that cool down, wash them in cold water and pop the skin off. Put in cold water so they cool down and just get in there and pop it off. Once you've blanched these almonds, flash fry them in a little bit of olive oil just to give it a good nutty flavour. I've added 2 tablespoons of sugar, about a quarter of a jar of ground cinnamon, some icing sugar. You should get something like this consistency. It doesn't matter if you've still got a few almonds in there because it will taste quite nice with a bit of a crunch. I have been simmering this down, adding water as and when, and as you can see it's all like shredded chicken now, which is lovely. That's the kind of thing that you want. Now I'm going to add my 2 eggs. Adding my almond, caster sugar and cinnamon mix. So again, I've got my phyllo pastry. There you have it, guys. Some lovely chicken pastella. I'm about to break my fast, so I can't be long. I've literally made these in the nick of time. As you can see, chicken pastella parcels, nice and golden brown. I put them in the oven and fry them up, but obviously if you want a healthier version, let me try it. CCTV, chicken pastella parcels. Try it out, let me know what you think. And please like, share and subscribe. Mwah. Right, I'm off, I've got to eat. Bye. Oh, really hot. Oh, spot on. Honestly. The chicken is amazing. And then you've got the almonds. and you can taste the cinnamon. It's not too sweet, and the combination with the phyllo pastry is just amazing. So I would definitely recommend you give these a go, and yeah, let me know what you think.